By the end of this video, you're going to have 7 AI automations that are going to help you go viral on social media no matter how many followers you have. And these automations work for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so many other social media platforms. And the best part is you can get these set up in just a few minutes. So before we get started with any of the automations, we need to make sure that Claude actually has access to our social media channels. The easiest way to do this is going to be through Metricool right here. This is incredibly easy for you to set up. It's free for you to set up, and we could see exactly what Metricool's MCP can actually do right here. We could see that we could use it to get the best time to post, to schedule posts, to get analytics, to get so much. There are so many different actions that this tool right here can take, and getting set up with it is literally incredibly easy. All you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you are going to grab this URL right here, and you need to make sure that you have a Metricool account in order to actually do this. You are going to then come over to Claude right here. From here, we're going to click on customize. We're going to click on connectors. We're going to click on this plus, add custom connector. You're going to just name this Metricool MCP or anything that you want. I'm going to put number 2 because I already have it set up, but I'm just showing you for this tutorial. You're then going to click on this right here, going to click on add. From here, you're going to be brought to a screen where you're just going to have to click on connect, and boom, this is going to get you connected so long as you have a Metricool account. And again, you could get this set up literally for free. Now from here, one thing that I really love to do and that I recommend everybody do is just make sure that you type into this once you have it set up. Can you check what the Metricool MCP can do and give me a list of actions and prompts I should take based on what you know about me? Because if you use Claude, Claude has a ton of memory about you. And if you don't use Claude, well, guess what? You can actually come over here and see all of the other different tools that this can actually connect to, because you could also use this to hook up to Claude Code, Claude Desktop, Cursor, ChatGPT with developer mode turned on, Mistral, Lay Chat, Make, N8N, and any other place that you could hook up with a custom MCP. Then from here, this actually goes through and gives us a bunch of different capabilities right here and a bunch of different prompts that it actually recommends that we run based on performance audits, posting optimization, repurposing your existing engine, pipeline hygiene, competitor/demographic intel, and so much more. And again, this is going to be completely different if you do it based on the memory that Claude has with you and things that you've done with social media before, but I think that that's incredibly useful to do. Okay, so now that you know how to actually set this up, I wanted to walk you through the 7 automations that I would strongly suggest that you could set up. But before we do that, I wanted to remind you that if you want to get set up with Metricool's MCP, you should check out the pinned comment below. Plus, if you use code Robert, you'll get 30 days free access to any of Metricool's premium plans. So the first prompt I would strongly suggest that you use is going to be using Metricool's MCP. Can you pull insights on my audience that I otherwise wouldn't have recognized? Use my analytics and my competitors. Now, one other thing that I did want to show you right here, because this is cool, just being able to prompt Claude, and I'm going to be prompting Claude throughout this video in order to actually show you how this works. But if you really want to make this powerful, what you should be doing is you should make sure that you're using the Claude desktop app right here, because this is going to allow you to actually use Cowork. And Cowork is pretty insane because it allows you to actually schedule things out. What you're going to do is you are simply just take the prompt that we used over here. If you like the result that you got, you're just going to come over here and copy this, and then you're going to come back over to Claude desktop. You'll see Cowork right here. You'll see scheduled tasks, and you'll be able to actually come over here, click on create task. You could set it up manually. You can name it, put a description. You could put this prompt right in here. Make sure that this has act without asking on so that it runs automatically. Then you could actually choose the frequency at which this is going to run, and now you have this automated at whatever cadence you want. And now we could see exactly what this built out, and this is pretty incredible. This goes through and actually gives me all of this data on my YouTube channel, the best time for me to post, my competitors and benchmarks compared to them. Does the same exact thing for Instagram right here. Goes through key insights and action items and things that I need to actually fix and where my biggest opportunities are. And then this goes through the biggest non-obvious findings right here, which is pretty awesome. In addition to that, the other thing that I wanted to share is that you can actually hook this up to way more social media pages than I have hooked up here. Because you could get this hooked up to your Facebook, to your LinkedIn. If we click on more connections here, it literally shows you everything that this can connect to. And this doesn't only work for your pages. If you manage pages also, it can actually be able to access all of it. Now, the next use case I wanted to show you here is using Metrical's MCP. I want to schedule a TikTok post to go live at a specific time. Ask me everything that you need in order to get this done. And you could use this for TikTok, you could use it for YouTube, you could use it for Instagram, and all the other platforms that you saw. So now this goes through and actually lists out everything that it needs me to do. Now, the reason that you want to do it exactly with this prompt the first time is because this then walks you through exactly what you need. So you need the actual video, you need the exact date and time, you need the caption text, you need to be able to actually tell it about the privacy, the interactions, the commercial branded content disclosure, and publish mode right here if you want it to automatically publish if it's something like a trial reel. And then what this will actually allow us to do is this will allow us to actually craft a prompt with just these answers right here, and then this will actually go off and this will schedule out your content inside of here on Metrical, which is pretty awesome. The next use case I wanted to show you is using Metrical's MCP. Can you look at what's working best for my competitors and give me a 7-day posting schedule? I want titles, I want scripts, etc. And now this is actually going to go through and this is going to pull all of our competitor data and be able to do this for us. And guess what? This is something that I would strongly suggest that you have set up inside of Cowork, because you could get this to happen automatically every single day, every single week. And this is one of the most powerful use cases for Metrical, because it could pretty much automate not only your competitive insights, your own pages insights, but also you creating your content. And then like I showed you in the last case, you also scheduling out that content. And now this has actually gone through. This has pulled my competitors' data right here. We have the top performer, highest viewed single video, most active, best engagement. And this actually ranks all of this, goes through the optimal posting times for my audience, goes through exactly what is winning right here. And then this literally goes through and plans out my next week of content so that I don't have to manually do this. Now, the next use case I wanted to show you is going to be one that's more on the fun end right here. So I said to Claude, using the Metrical MCP, can you predict how many followers I'll have by December 31st, 2026? Now, what this did was this went through and actually pulled my data via Metrical, and it was able to extrapolate what this is actually going to look like on each platform. In addition to that, what we can then actually do after this is say, hey, based on this, what can I change in order to grow faster? So we could come over here and we could say something like, based on the other data you see, what should I change to try to double this compared to my competitors? And now what this is going to do is this is actually going to run through and look at our competitors, see what we're doing differently, and this is actually going to be able to guide us on our progress in order to hit the goals that we've set for ourselves. And now this actually goes through and shows us everything that we need to go through here and we need to adjust in order to make this happen right here. It goes through the gap to close, our watch time, our outliers right here, and this is incredible. And this goes through all the different findings right here and the things that we need to adjust and the things that we need to change in order to actually be able to hit our goals. And this is pretty incredible to be able to have this. Now, the next thing we might want to do is use an automation and a prompt like this. Please review my last 7 days of content compared to my competitors' last 7 days of content, and let me know what the biggest gaps are that I need to close. Am I posting too much or too little? Am I posting at the wrong times, on the wrong topics, using the wrong lengths? What can I fix? And then I'm going to say, use Metrical's MCP. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to pull this. Now, at this point, I've shown you several things. Basically, how to get an audit of your page, how to compare your page to your competitors, how to be able to actually mine your comments for really good advice, how to be able to do things like set up something that can actually create your content for you or schedule your content for you. There's literally so much that you could do with this, and we're just scratching the surface here. Because again, if you come over to Metrical's MCP right here, you can actually see all of the different things that this could use. Over 20 tools with each one explained. And another thing that you can actually do is we come over here, we can grab this, we could copy it and paste it over here in Claude, and we can say something like, based on all of these tools that Metrical's MCP has access to, please give me a list of automations that I should schedule out based on what you know about me. I want to spend less time creating content and more time getting views. Now, this is my specific use case right here. You might have a different one if you run an agency or you run a brand or you manage multiple different accounts or you're a creator that's just getting started growing, but you could give the same exact prompt, the metrical right here, and get an absolutely incredible, thoughtful response that's actually customized towards you. So now this has gone through and actually gives me the highest leverage things that I could do right here with Metrical's MCP, which again is pretty incredible. This literally gives me exactly what prompt, exactly what tools to use, and I love this right here. Now, if we come back over here and actually check on the last 7 days of content review with my content versus my competitors, what I'm doing too much of, what I'm doing too little of, we could see that it used the metrical integration right here. It's gone through, it's actually gotten all the data that it needs, and now it's building out a full analysis. And this right here is really what's incredible about Claude. It's going through and it's actually building me an artifact right here, which looks incredibly professional. We have my 7-day snapshot right here, which gives me a bunch of really good information. Goes through gap 1, goes through gap 2, goes through gap 3, goes through gap 4, and this is literally telling me everything that I need to change about when I'm posting, what I'm posting, what the ratios I'm posting in, and literally everything that I need to know in order to grow faster on social media, all done by AI, all able to be automated, all because of Metrical's MCP that you could literally get started with today for free by going to the pinned comment below. If you're not using this tool right here to get better analytics, to do better research, to be able to schedule out your posts and all of that, then you're going to get left behind as we move into more of an AI-powered social media. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this one right here that walks you through exactly how YouTube's new AI algorithm works that they just released, because you're not going to want to miss this if you want to grow faster or get monetized on YouTube. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.